Hello students, today I will be explaining a lesson from your English book and the chapter name is The Boon of Words. This is going to be the second video. In the first video I have covered the first half of the chapter, and in that video we read that there is a boy whose name is Raman, and he is a very clever and good looking boy, but there is a bad habit in him that he always makes fun of people, even elders. So one day his mother is warned by some elders, and after that his mother tries to make him understand, but he doesn't take anything seriously, and finally his mother sends him to a holy man who is a teacher also, and he tries to make him understand. He tries to teach him some good lessons, and he learns also. He improves himself, and one day his teacher says to him that he has taught everything whatever he can, and now he should go into the world and seek his fortune, make a living. But Raman says that he doesn't know how to make a living. After this, his teacher teaches him a mantra and asks him to recite it at the nearby temple 3 million times. After that, what will happen? A goddess with 1,000 heads will appear there, and he can ask her for a boon for her guidance, and she will tell him the occupation that he can take up, that he can begin in life. And Raman does the same. He goes to the temple and he recites the mantra 3 million times, and finally the goddess appears. From here I will explain the chapter in this video. So after that, what happens? Let's read further. The goddess seemed quite pleased to see a mortal who was so bold and unafraid. So after reciting the mantra 3 million times, the goddess appears, and Raman doesn't get afraid of the form of that goddess. So to see a mortal means a human being. So to see a mortal who is so bold, who is so unafraid, to see Raman को देख के the goddess seemed quite pleased. The goddess gets so much happy. Pleased means happy. Why she gets happy? Because she finds a mortal, a human being who is so bold, who is not afraid of her form. That's why she gets happy. But as we know, Raman is a very mischievous boy. What does he do? Suddenly, a thought struck Raman and he burst into laughter. Thought struck means a thought comes in his mind. उसके दिमाग में कुछ thought आते हैं, and he burst into laughter. He starts laughing so loudly. वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से हंसने लगता है. He laughed and laughed till tears streamed down his cheeks, and he keeps laughing. और वो इतना हंसता है कि उसकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाते हैं और उसके गालों पे बहने लगते हैं. And he had to hold on to one of the temple pillars for support. So Raman laughs so much, and he laughs so much that he loses control over himself, and what he has to do, he has to hold on one of the temple pillars for getting some support. वो हंसते हंसते एकदम अपने ऊपर उसका कंट्रोल ही नहीं रह जाता. वो इतना हंसता है उस थॉट के दिमाग में आने से कि उसे पिलर, टेम्पल के एक पिलर को पकड़ना पड़ता है to get a support. The goddess was stunned for a moment. And how does goddess react after this? The goddess was stunned. Stunned means she was shocked. She was surprised for a moment to see this behavior, this condition of Raman. She had never seen a mortal who was not only not terror struck by her form, but also had the temerity to laugh at her. Temerity means boldness. So the goddess was stunned, she was surprised. She had never seen a mortal, a human being who was not only not terror struck, जो कि उन्होंने पहली बार एक ऐसा इंसान देखा था जो कि न तो डर रहा था उनके फॉर्म से, बल्कि वो उनके फॉर्म पे हंस भी रहा था. ही हैड द टेमेरिटी, ही हैड द बोल्डनेस टू लाफ एट हर. वो इतना ब्रेव था कि उनको देख के वो हंस भी रहा था. ही वॉज नॉट एफ्रेड एट ऑल. शी फेल्ट क्वाइट इंसल्टेड एंड थंडर्ड. नाउ एट दिस बिहेवियर ऑफ रमन शी फेल्ट इंसल्टेड. उन्हें इंसल्टेड फील होता है, एंड शी थंडर्ड मीन्स शी शाउटेड, यू puny mortal, how dare you laugh at me? What do you find so funny? Now she says to रमन दैट यू puny mortal means a small human being, एक अदने से इंसान. हाउ डेयर यू टू लाफ एट मी, तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत कि तुम मुझ पे हंसो. व्हाट डू यू फाइंड सो फनी, आपको इतना फ़नी क्या मिल गया है कि आप इतनी ज़ोर ज़ोर से हंस रहे हैं. नाउ लेट्स रीड फर्दर एंड सी व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न. Raman tried to control himself and finally uttered these words between gusts of laughter. Raman tries to control himself. He was laughing. He kept laughing and laughing. तो अपनी हंसी को रोकते हुए he tries to utter these words. Utter means he tries to speak these words, and what he says, I was just wondering, he gasped. What do you do when you have a cold? We mortals find it so difficult with one nose and two hands. So see the answer of Raman. What he says that he is wondering, he is thinking that what do you do when you have a cold? जब आपको कोल्ड हो जाता है, when you catch cold, जब आपको सर्दी हो जाती है, ज़ुकाम हो जाता है. So what do you do? Because we mortals, we human beings find it so difficult with one nose and two hands. Because generally what happens when we catch cold, we have runny nose, हमारी नाक बहना शुरू हो जाती है ना. So Raman says that we mortals have only one nose and we have two hands also, but still we find it so difficult to manage. हमारे पास दो हाथ हैं और एक ही नोज़ है that runs, but still when we catch cold we find some difficulty. Okay, but how on earth do you manage with 1,000 runny noses and you have 1,000 heads? So of course you would have 1,000 runny noses also, and of course you have only two hands. So two hands and 1,000 runny noses, how do you manage? How funny his question is. Okay, his thought is. Now how does the goddess react? Let's study further, read further and find it out. The goddess was furious. Furious means angry. So the goddess gets so much angry when she hears this kind of statement. She raised all her 1,000 heads and looked down haughtily at Raman. And now, in anger, she raises her 1,000 heads and she looks down haughtily in arrogance at Raman. बहुत ही अहंकार के साथ वो अपने सर को उठाती हैं और रमन को देखती हैं. एंड शी सेज समथिंग. व्हाट शी सेज, बिकॉज यू हैव डेयर टू लाफ एट मी, शी कर्स्ड. नाउ एज वी नो, रमन हैज़ कम हियर टू आस्क फॉर बून. रमन तो यहाँ आए थे गॉडेस से एक वरदान मांगने, अपने लिए, अपने ऑक्यूपेशन के बारे में जानने, अपने लिए एक गाइडेंस मांगने. बट व्हाट हैपन्स हियर, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज मिसचीफ, the goddess is not blessing him, the goddess is cursing him. She curses him. As you have dared to laugh at me, आपने मुझ पर हंसने की कोशिश की है, हंसने की हिम्मत दिखाई है. So what you have to do now, you will earn your living as a jester. Jester means joker, a clown. So now you will have to earn money. आप कैसे अपनी रोज़ी रोटी चलाएंगे? You will have to work ऑफ अ जेस्टर. आपको एक जोकर की तरह काम करना पड़ेगा. एंड यू हैव टू अर्न योर लिविंग एज अ जेस्टर, अ विकट कवि. दैट इज़ द ऑक्यूपेशन आई गिव यू एंड दिस इज़ द ऑक्यूपेशन आई एम गिविंग यू, आई एम ब्लेसिंग यू विथ. ओके, आपको इस ऑक्यूपेशन के साथ ही जीना होगा और अपने लिए रोज़ी रोटी कमानी होगी. एंड हाउ डज रमन रिएक्ट नाउ? रमन, however, was not upset. The goddess is cursing him, but Raman is still not upset. He is not worried at all. अभी भी उसको बिल्कुल भी कोई उसको परेशानी नहीं है. वो बिल्कुल भी चिंतित नहीं है कि हाँ मुझे कर्ज दिया जा रहा है. And he says that, oh, that's great. He said, that is an interesting occupation. And Raman is still very happy. He is not afraid at all. He is not worried at all. And he says that, oh, that's great. It's a wonderful occupation. It is a very interesting occupation. वो बहुत खुश हो जाता है सुन के कि ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ऑक्यूपेशन है, बहुत ही अच्छा तरीका है रोज़ी रोटी कमाने का. विच एवर वे यू से it is a palindrome. Palindrome, what is the meaning of palindrome? It reads the same left to right and right to left. कोई ऐसा नंबर, कोई ऐसा वर्ड या फिर ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसको हम राइट टू लेफ़्ट पढ़ें और या फिर लेफ़्ट टू राइट पढ़ें, वो सेम वर्ड बनता है. ओके, जस्ट लाइक विकट कवि. इफ़ वी रीड इट from right to left or left to right, it will be the same. One more sentence is here, rise to vote sir. अगर आप इसे right to left पढ़ते हैं then also you will find the same sentence. So such thing is called palindrome. So that's why the boy Raman says that whatever you said Vikata Kavi, what is it? It is a palindrome. So it shows that how witty, how intelligent, how smart Raman is. This kind of expression shows that Raman is a very intelligent boy, and he can find sense of humor. He can find humor in this problematic situation also. He is being cursed by the goddess, but still he is able to find some interesting thing in this situation also. Okay, so it proves that Raman is a very witty boy. After that, what happens? Let's read further. The goddess was amazed at Raman's wit. After hearing all this, the goddess gets amazed. She gets surprised at the wit of Raman, and his wit is that helps him to see a joke even in a curse. उसका wit ही है, उसका intelligence ही है जिसने क्या किया, उसको एक कर्स में भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग देखने को मिल रही है. दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज विट. सो दैट्स वाई गॉडेस इज सो मच हैप्पी, सो मच सरप्राइज्ड एट हिज wit. She was a little mollified and said, little mollified means less angry. Now at his wit she gets less angry. उनको उसका विट देखकर उनका गुस्सा थोड़ा क्या होता है, कम हो जाता है. एंड शी सेज दैट वेल सिंस यू हैव सच अ सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर यू विल बी अ जेस्टर at the court of the king and make a name for yourself. Now she is a little happy with Raman's sense of humor, his wit, and she says that yes you have such a sense of humor, आपके पास बहुत ही अच्छा sense of humor है. So what you have to do now? So I can't take my curse back, but I can bless you, that I can give you a boon that you will be a jester. आप अभी भी jester के रूप में ही अपनी लिविंग, अपनी रोज़ी रोटी कमाएंगे. But what will happen now? You will be a jester at the court of the king. आप किसी सर्कस में जाके जोकर नहीं बनेंगे, बल्कि क्या होगा, यू हैव टू परफॉर्म एज अ जेस्टर एट द कोर्ट ऑफ द किंग. किसी किंग के कोर्ट में, किसी राजा के दरबार में आप क्या करेंगे, यू विल परफॉर्म एंड मेक अ नेम फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड यू विल गेट नेम एंड फेम. Let's read further. And that is exactly what happened. Raman went on to become a court jester to King Krishnadev Rai of Vijayanagar. And as the goddess said, the same happened, and Raman went on to become a court jester. After some time, Raman becomes a court jester. कोर्ट जेस्टर वो बन जाते हैं. एंड कहाँ पे? एट द कोर्ट ऑफ किंग कृष्णदेव राय ऑफ विजयनगर. And he becomes very famous as Tenali Rama for his jokes and witty answers. So you must have read the stories of Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama is very famous for his jokes and witty answers. अपने इंटेलिजेंस भरे, चालाकी भरे जवाबों के लिए वो जाने जाते हैं, एंड हम सब ने उनकी स्टोरी पढ़ी है. सो इन दिस वे तेनाली रामा becomes famous, and his curse becomes a blessing for him. So that is what we have read in the beginning of the chapter, that it was a blessing in disguise. A curse becomes a blessing for him. So this is the end of the chapter.